In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Jira. This powerful integration can significantly streamline your workflow by connecting your customer relationship management, CRM, tools with your project management software. Let's get started. First off, head over to a web application named Zapier. It's a fantastic tool for creating automated workflows between different software. Once you've reached their homepage, you'll notice a login button. Click on it to proceed. For ease of use, I recommend logging in with Google, especially if you already use Google services for your business. This choice simplifies the process and keeps everything interconnected. Click on Continue with Google and select the account you want to use for Zapier. This action will prompt you to choose your Google account, then click Continue to confirm your selection and move forward. With the login process completed, you'll be directed to the Zapier dashboard. Now look for a button that says Create and click on it. This is the first step in creating a new Zap, Zapier's term for its automated workflows. Following that, click on Zaps to see your existing Zaps or create a new one. For our specific task of integrating Salesforce with Jira, enter Connect Jira and Salesforce into the search or instruction bar found under the Copilot section. Zapier's system is brilliantly user-friendly, guiding you through the necessary steps. After entering your command, you should see an option to add all steps to Zap. Go ahead and click on it. Your next step involves connecting to Jira. Under the account setup, sign into your Jira account. It's a simple process, and Zapier will walk you through any permissions or authorizations needed. Once that's done, you can decide on a trigger event from Jira that you wish to integrate with Salesforce. Trigger events can vary based on your specific use case, such as creating a new issue, updating an issue, etc. Once you've defined your Jira trigger, it's time to shift focus to Salesforce. Click on Salesforce within your Zap configuration, and then on Connect Salesforce. You'll need to sign into your Salesforce account if you haven't already done so with Zapier. This connection enables Zapier to access and interact with your Salesforce data according to the Zap's configurations. Going further, you'll need to decide on an action event in Salesforce. This could range from creating a new lead, updating contact information, and so on, depending on what your workflow requires. Zapier's interface provides a list of possible actions to choose from, tailoring the integration to best fit your operational needs. Select the action you require, and move forward by configuring the specifics of this action. This step includes selecting which Salesforce object to create or update, along with mapping data fields between Jira and Salesforce. This mapping ensures that the right information from Jira triggers the correct action and data entry in Salesforce. For instance, if your trigger event in Jira is the creation of a new issue, and your Salesforce action is to create a new lead, you'll need to define which information from the Jira issue, like the issue summary, reporter's email, and issue description, correlates with Salesforce lead fields such as name, email, and lead description. Once you've configured all necessary fields and settings, the final step is to activate your Zap. Upon activation, Zapier will begin monitoring for the specified trigger event in Jira and automatically execute the defined action in Salesforce. It's a smart way to save time, enhance data accuracy, and ensure that your teams are working with the most current information across both platforms. Remember, the flexibility of Zapier allows you to create multiple Zaps for different workflows between Salesforce and Jira. Experiment with various triggers and actions to find the perfect automations that fit your business processes. And that concludes our walkthrough on integrating Salesforce with Jira using Zapier. With these steps, you can create a seamless flow of information between your project management and customer relationship management tools, boosting efficiency and keeping your teams aligned. Feel free to revisit any section of this video as needed, and here's to a more connected and streamlined workflow.